If you're a small dog owner, you need to try Purina Beneful IncrediBites. Here's why. Purina Beneful IncrediBites is made with real beef, chicken, or salmon, and packed with real veggies. These tiny, tender bites are perfect for small mouths, and the flavorful gravy? It's like a party in every bite. High in protein to keep your pup strong, with zero artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Plus, it's loaded with 23 essential vitamins and minerals for a complete, balanced diet. Made proudly in the USA, Purina Beneful IncrediBites is the paw-fect choice for your small dog. Give your little buddy the taste they love and the nutrition they need.